KoogluPooglu. Hello, this is Battleship and I'm done setting it. Looks pretty cool. As you can see, it's same on both sides and the assembly just takes a few minutes. Here we have the instructions, so that's how to build it. And these are our rules. As you can see, this is a 2-player game. And it has 3 sectors, 1, 2, and 3. This game is good for maths. As you can see, we have a 10 by 10 grid, which means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then on the other side, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So here we have a 10 by 10 grid, but the difference is here we have numbers, but on the other side we have alphabets till J. So in this case, the alphabets represent rows and the numbers represent columns. Before we discuss about the rules, let's learn our ships. This is a quadrant and it has 8 holes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Next one is our rocket radar. It has 6 holes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Next we have a celestial crawler, which also has 6. And now we have the Tricon fighter, which has 3 holes. 1, 2, 3. And last but not least, the Dueler, which has 2 holes. So these are called pegs. They're 2 different colors, and each player will have them, and they can place them over here. That's for white, or any place. You place white or red, any place you want. Each player is gonna have 5 of these, so that's 1 row, and other one. And we're gonna place them on any sector, so sector 1 or sector 2 or sector 3. But you can't see your enemy. If you can see above, when you sit down, you can't see what's behind you. So this is a guessing game. On the other side, my dad's placing his ships. I'm placing mine on the other side. Hello. Don't see my. No spying. Don't look at Pops either. First turn and targeting. Sector 1, C.
Miss.
I'm gonna put a white in C. Sector 1, because so I won't call it again. It's my dad's turn.
Sector 1, D.
Sector 1D. You got me down. You got me. You hit me. Dad to put a red peg in Sector 1D so he won't call it again. Now say Sector 1D. Is that a hit?
Yes, hit.
Now my dad's gonna place a red peg on his ship. I'm gonna put a red peg on sector 1D. Put white because I missed my opponent's ship. And I put red because I got my opponent's ship.
Sector 1, number 5.
Sector 1, 5. Yup, you hit me hard. Oopsies. My dad has to put a red peg in sector 1, column 5, because he hit me. So whoever knocks out all the ships first wins. And you can find this at any local toy store, Mastermind Toys, Costco, anywhere.
Thanks for watching, and also show your support by subscribing my channel and also following me on Facebook and Instagram. Bye bye.